Action marandziwa hamamkela eka nongonoko wa Swa Risima eka xiphemu xa Vuyelerisa ku tshembha eka siku ra namuntlha hina buti Jubilee va ta va hi byela hi ta vutomi bya vona ku va hi tisa leswaku na wena u vuyeleriwa hi ku tshemba. Avuxeni no mamkela ka Munghana Lonene FM.
Nona Cancer Genesis Cancer.
Hi pfuke swinene hina. Vanhu vo tala swi nga endleka va mi tiva kumbe va tivi n'wina va tiva tona ngopfu kumbe va tiva ntirho lowu mi nga wu endla na tinqambi ta hina to hambanahambana. Mi nga hi byela hi makulele ya n'wina?
Ni kulele Alande yi nga le outside of Tulamahansha Bushbuckridge. I grew up in a family of 7. I'm the only boy.
Hey, yeah?
Yeah.
Number
so,
one?
Number 5.
Yeah?
Yes, and then grew up with all my siblings and raised by a single mother.
Oh.
So like I started learning how to survive by selling from an early age.
Yeah?
So I started selling from while I was doing grade 5 while running my own business from there.
What were you selling?
Okay, I was selling sweets. So this was funny. My mom every day look at choke and I was like, Mama, no, no, ransom run me. That's me. I was doing business at school. So my class teacher was like, no, Mama, come marketing mara anak jao ma. So every day I will do that.
Yeah. Look, no, give us time. Magagule hina ibere go 7. 6 girls na jari. Na jara ga in number 5.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's a duplicate.
Samabindzu swi vula ku mi kule mi ri na swona kumbe xana ku ri timhaka ta ku vhele munhu u faneke a hanya ene mi swi voneni ku munhu hi ku tiyimayima ma ha ri ntsongo. Hi fike njhani la se Jubilee a nga businessman kumbe hi rhange hi ku tirha kumbe na khale wo vuka a na ku tirha na munhu na ku ti tirhela?
Actually, as in hlayile ku ndzi ku xavisa xavisini throughout even my secondary life. And then after I went to college, Nenda electrical engineering. After I got a leadership, Natera Disara Company, Fermahen. Interile, Ingasela contract, Banja, Javan from it was a setup. Then man from like from there, I'm not gonna work for anyone. And then started being up for a car wash. Shabville for a car wash where I would wash 1 car a week. Actually, I had 1 customer. So it was this other old man. So it was hard to survive. I would go and buy bread, Shingwasha brown, and make sure I survive using the bread all week. So I'm Jakota. I'm not So lucky enough, I had a friend called my friend Mona. He will come late if I'm by a one of sick looks like the book and TV, and then so I can have supper, and then after I go back. So fast forward, there was
before loko ulahlekela hi ntirho hi mhaka ku kumbexana u ri setup u nga ngheni ka setup mara laha ka ku swi vula ku vi na vanhu lava nga vona swi yandza u famba kumbe u nga ha vi kona laha a wu tirha kona.
Yes.
U dyondze yini ka leswi nga humelela kwalaha ka ntirho ku ri ntirho wa ku sungula?
Futhi ndyondze ku under favorite ya supervise. So ndyondze ku labantu bana shugula. Ku supervise antsembisa permanent. Se anqoqela bangani. So ila swi nga wona ka kona.
Se xihundla lexi nga ha ri na xona sweswo?
Ngaku van right. But yeah, most of the time they're get up on xihundla swa swi confidential.
Yeah, mi vone nkoka wa xihundla ni.
Yes.
Fast forward?
Okay, fast forward kube kufika na rana car wash. Awa ntlhantlheni ka tax kroko. Ku te this other lady loko ku langzo dates. Aku kame Jubilation Magagule na ku ramba ila kenla la da tlanga ti indigenous game tinketo and so on. It is 16. It was around March. I like, okay, good, that's a great idea. I don't know, the banana meeting na majambo. Hlangana youth la tsepiso. Shabile. Then hlanganile lokufika le meeting abantima bonke ka fana mchangana lokuthamala. Rasima and Masut, and then ba appointana Shiboku, community and so on. So I was like, I'm gonna appoint myself. I was like, man, I'm drafted the proposal. So in that way, I was appointed, and then I became. There was a chairperson, but you get chairperson. Bangan, like Bangan appointed as a chairperson because I was going out every day. I would go to the council, go to the municipality, even local radio stations, community funds, and so on. So there was an illegal dumping place next to where I had my shack. So I was like, guys, you have this game here, but we need to clean up this place. And then got the municipality to come and help us clean up. And then Zalama Blue, Mislahla, so then we turned that illegal dumping place into a park.
That's nice.
So we figured this guy called Tifo Kudumo. It was like Jubilation Magagule. I want to introduce you to someone. And we walked to Saita Shabville, where everything happened during those time.
Yeah.
I met Radile Mkoni. Radile Mkoni is the first person to bring Burger King on Breaker. So it's what I forgot that I'm on range. So we had a meeting. So you saw the drive that I had. No Jubilation. Ndrina, what do you want to see yourself in 2030? It was a very tricky question. I was like, no man, I want to be driving my own car, beautiful house, big family. I was like, okay, what are you doing now to get
Big family.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I want a big family. So from there, I was like, no, I'm gonna guide you through. And then he became my mentor, and then I was like, no, I'm gonna help you invite stakeholders to come to and attend your event. Then, because that event, it became a very big event. So he invited people from abroad and other people, like big people.
Mm-hmm.
So Tuesday, it was towards the event. The event was supposed to happen on Thursday. So on Tuesday, I received a call from my mom. Papa, damn. And by that time, I just met him like 2014. We never really bonded. We never really had to have that relationship and so on. So
Do you look at me having to show so like a session when it's coming and we want to go. Look at you, 2010, as Tabasi and Jing. Over Bushaka, there, I'm funny giving to Akilena Papa.
I will say, yeah, I wish so. But even though I tried to build the relationship, it was not that good. So like it is what it is. So I grew up without a father, so I have to continue living this way. So when I got the call, I was like, but I have to go and bury him, but I don't have money. So on the day, Thursday came, we had an event, so I had to give a speech. So I gave my speech, and then there was this lady called, she became my mother, Beatrice Cheleke. She's a resident of Europe, in Austria, and she's coming from Canada. So she got married there. And then she was like, no, Jubilation, I want you to come over to my house. She didn't have money on that day. He said, no, you know what, I'm going to send you money to come over to my house. So I didn't bury my father. I didn't attend it for that. A week later, she sent me money. I went to a place in Northcliffe, Johannesburg. The first night, she gave me a computer. Like, okay, it's a plan, use that computer. There's internet, do whatever you want to do. So I was like, because I already had the skill of how to use a computer. I want to learn something. On that first night, I designed my first website, self-taught. And then after, in the morning, I showed her what I did. It was not something nice, but it was something, she saw I have got the drive, I want to learn. And she encouraged me, she got me a client. Mr. Costa Jao from Angola. I did his website. I remember my first pay was 600 rand. I walked from Northcliffe to Cresta. It was a very long distance. I walked to there. I walked to there to deposit the money to CIPC so I can register my company. I registered my company. When I came there, I told them I'm coming from Cresta. I was like, you should have told me. I can like, no, I want to own it, like feel it. I've worked hard for this company. So I restarted, and it was an entertainment company. And then I came back. Things started to take off, and I came back. I relocated from Joburg, came back home. That's why I got into the media. I wanted to do an event. I remember it was Summer Youth Activation Festival. Got a big company promising to sponsor me. We had an agreement. I was a very young boy. 3 days before the event, they pulled out. There's the late Bongani from Rhythm City.
Yeah.
He was one of my artists on the night, Durban nights. Those other guys were so understanding that these things happen. Bongani gave me a hard time, and he was he was coming from prison. Remember, I was like, boy, I'm coming there to kill you. It was hard. I almost committed suicide, and then I got rescued by Jubilation Magagule and Jonathan Magagule, and then they took me to hospital. So from then, that's why I learned that. That's why I was like, I'm stepping back, but this thing kept on pushing, like, come back to entertainment. Months later, I got a call from tshembha. She's like, Jubilation, please come over. I want to have a meeting with you. And then had a meeting. I was like, I need you to be my manager. Me, like, and I was very, very young. And I grew up looking up to him, listening to his music from a very, very so ni take opportunity like maboko mambili since unakutana na yena na ni rinata kupromotion ya mahlweni. So yeah.
So kuna swo tala leswi nga hlangana na swona hi nga si sungula la u nga kona sweswi hi ku te 2030 big family ta sungula kwala mara hi nga si fika hi nga si fika la ka 2030 a hi sunguli hi leswi kumbexani vutomi bya n'we loko mi byi languta ka nkarhi lowu a hi ngo siku reriya mi nga hlangana na Themba loko mi swi languta sweswi mi nga ku yini eka vantshwa na vanhu lava va nga le ku ringeteleni lava nga ringeta ku teka vutomi bya vona lava va nga ringeta leswi swi tsandza va ringeta leswi ku va na swiphiqo swa ku famberiwa hi mutswari kumbe munhu loyi n'wi rhandzaka ku fana na leswi n'wina mi nga hlangana na swona mi nga ku mi dyondze yini naswona hi swihi swi nga mi tiyisa ku na vona swi kota ku va tiyisa.
Ta sungula hi liya ka Themba. I will say yi ni pfule matihlo ku yi ni komba ku a nyiko leyi ni nga na yona va ko van'wani va yi vonaka va vona va ku ni nga ya somewhere siku rin'wana ra masiku. So ku ni ta ku ka vantshwa or vayingiseri mi hanya xiyimo leyi mhaka ku xiyimo xin'wana na xin'wana xi yimile ka for a reason. And futhi ku na principle leyi ni yi tirhisaka always ya ku I use what I have to get what I don't have. So loko ku ri ku xiyimo xa wena xa tika tirhisa xiyimo lexa ku tika u kuma ku leswi nga swa ka a wu na swona. I will give an example ku loko xiyimo xa me xi tika sweswi ku ni ta apulukwana ku ni ta va na interview xi tika ku nga na transport na mali na nchumu mara miehleketo ni ri na yona ni ri na fan base leyi ni nga na yona or people that believe in me. I have to go to them. I I tell them my story. Go one and me opportunity of a navulavana and namati. Ni kombela kumini fona so. Kumini fona inda oketlen kumbe mala so kuja. Kumbela malak farm. Cause patiba ku goal ya me lakachiva ini. Antim kubanga ala kuba umesa. Leswi va nga na swona ni pfunaka hi swona.
Se swi na nkoka ku gongola ku kombela ku kondza u fika laha u lavaka ku ya kona.
Njena mi ni ta gongoza la ka wena.
Se mi sale hi malembe nkombo ntsena ku fika laha ka 2030 ma mi votisini malembe ndzhaku va ku u ti vona u ri kwini ka 2030 mi vulavule hi big family
Yes.
ya karhi ya ndlandlamuka.
Yeah, I just got my firstborn.
Oh, first.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Firstborn.
Yeah, I got my firstborn this past Sunday, the 26th March.
Okay.
Yeah, it's commission got the same.
I'm Kensisa.
No.
Mara loko mi langutini ka leswi mi nga swi vula loko va mi vutisa 2014 2016 loko va mi vutisa ku ri mi ti vona kwini loko ku fika 2030 mi vona hi ti-percentage kumbe from 1 to 10 mi le kwihi?
Ni nga ku ni le ka 40%.
40%. Okay.
Nga ku le ka 40%. Yeah.
Yeah, 40%.
40%.
I'm not 7 years. So, mara na nkarhi.
Yeah.
Na nkarhi. Kambe lexi mara ntsongo.
Yeah, I'm 28. So by 30 I think I should be
Yeah.
at 80%.
Within.
Yes.
So loko mi languta ka 30 ka in 2 years time mi ri mi ta va mi fikile eka leswi mi lavaka ku swi fikelela milorho ya n'wina yi ta va yi humelerile. Mi nga ku yini ka van'wana vana lava ka nkarhi wa sweswi kumbe lava nga yingisela lava kumbexana vo va nga le ku ringeteni ka nkarhi wa sweswi na ku tikomba ku tikombi nchumu vo va le ka 10% kumbe 5%. Nin'we na ntokoto lowu mi nga na wona wa ku tsandzeka mi tlhela mi ringeta wa ku vaviseka mi hola ya ku languta ku ri xikongomelo xa mina hi lexi mi ri yini ka vona ku va hi vuyisa miehleketo liya yi va ka leswi va lavaka ku swi fikelela ku nga ri swiyimo leswi va nga le ka swona.
Xa ku sungula ni ta ku a vi back ka drawing board ku vutisa ku i yini xi nga ni endla ku sungula leswi swi endlaka. Mani ku before sweswe ku na my mentor i tshama a ku ka mina. Magagule loko u lava ku sungula a business ya ki ta va humelela. U nga sunguli business hi ku vona se sikhensana xa ku vona u lava xa ku swi nga endleka loko ku sungula tinguva hi ku se sikhensana xa ku tinguva swi nga endleka ni nga succeed.
Yeah.
So u fanele u ta kuma problem leyi nga kona leswi u ta na solution. So solution leyiwa hi yona nga ta ku endla ku sustain. So loko ku u le ka business ene u lava ku famba emahlweni mi ni ta ku sorry to say this u nga rely ka government funding.